Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make dairy-free and gluten-free Mocha Protein Bites. We're going to start with a third cup of gluten-free quick oats and a quarter cup collagen protein powder. We're going to add also half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder, and we're going to stir that up, and then we're going to set that aside. In another bowl, we're going to mix a third cup of chocolate sun butter with a third cup of honey and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. We'll stir that all together and mix it until creamy. Next, we're going to mix the sun butter and honey mixture with the oat mixture. This is going to get really thick, and you'll probably need your hands at some point to mix this together since it'll be so thick. Once you have it all mixed together, you're going to roll those into balls, about 6 to 8 balls, 1 inch in size or so, and store those in the fridge. These are awesome for packing in lunches and snacks for school.